Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for tuning in today. I am actually at Sonic. I'm in the drive-thru and I just ordered a #1 combo, and I actually have not ate at Sonic for, I don't know, a really long time. Probably, I don't know, I'm gonna say it's probably been at least like 10 years since I've ate at Sonic. So I honestly have no idea what their food even tastes like anymore. And I was trying to order my food and somehow I pressed a button on my phone and it started like calling somebody or something. It was very, very weird. Actually, I'll be right. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So I just got my food. I saw the person coming, so I was like, I've got to go. But I got Sprite, and I got the #1 combo, which is just a cheeseburger. Yeah, let's see how these Sonic fries are. Not bad. My husband doesn't like Sonic. We got it once back home and he just didn't like it. And so we never get it. But I was like, well, so quick mukbang. I was at an interview and I like technically have a job that I got, but I'm still waiting on my background check to go through, and it's like a little further than I would like to have to drive. So I was just kind of seeing if I could find anything closer to home. Boy, this is a wet burger. Jeez. Woo! I'm really worried I'm gonna get like stuff all over my clothes, but here's my cheeseburger. It is really big. Wow. That is a huge burger. And they put like these giant onion chunks on it. Let me get some of that off. Okay. So I'm gonna eat this super fast because I'm really hungry. And I'm also gonna take this tomato off because I know I'm weird, but I don't like tomatoes on my burgers really, so my hands are gonna be very greasy. Oh my God. It's a big burger and a very greasy burger. So anyway, like I was saying, I've been going to interviews anyways because you know, just to keep my options open, just in case for some reason that, I don't know, that other job, I don't know. I did a background check. I filled out, you know, the papers, but I'm still waiting on it to go through. So, just keeping my options open. I went to an interview this morning, which I really hope I get, because it's pretty close to where I live. Here I go, I have hiccups. It will literally be like a 10-minute drive, which is great. And also, just really interested in it. And it's at like the regional hospital. I just think it would be a really good fit for me. So I hope I get it, but the job that I did get, that I'm waiting to see if everything goes through, because they offered me the position and they accepted what I wanted to get paid per hour, but I'm waiting on this background check. But it's also about a 30-40 minute drive. So I'm just trying to see if I can find something closer. But if not, I guess I'll just have to go with it. But I'm in some place, some town, well, city. I think I'm closer to Tampa now, but I really don't know where I am. Really, I don't really know where I am. But thank God for GPS, right? Every day is like an adventure. I don't know where I'm going. I'm trying to get this burger out of the way, and then I can eat the fries. I mean, the burger's pretty good. You know, considering it's like fast food. It's not my favorite burger, but it's okay. So you actually can see some palm trees in the background this time. Florida is a very interesting place. It's very, very different from back home. I don't know, it's just like a whole different place. Alright. Done with the burger. Finish my fries. And then I gotta head home because my husband's waiting on me. Oh, it's like a little, whatever it's called, dandelion thing. Oh, I tried to get it out and it came back in. Look at that. Anyways, has gotten a job, so he's starting Monday, which is awesome for him. And he's getting paid good at the job, so he's happy, and he said he likes the place, so I'm happy that he's got a job, but it's time for me to get a job. I'm definitely ready. Just, you know, just feel like you're living and you have a job, you know, like, otherwise I feel like every day is like the same. But we did have our pod come 2 days ago, and yesterday we had movers come help us move in everything. They brought it up and they were awesome. I mean, I'm about to go leave a good review for them today because they were worth every penny. They were so good, and they got it done ahead of schedule. Really, like, courteous and just wonderful. So I'm very happy about them coming. And now we just have a whole lot of unpacking to do. And I'm still missing home a lot. Like, I miss home. I wouldn't say on an everyday basis, but I really, 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 really miss my mom. You know, I'm really close to my mom, and I really miss her. Their fries are pretty good. Yeah, I really miss her. I guess I'm definitely a mama's girl. And it sucks her being so far. But at least I know I can go visit for Christmas. I'm actually starting to get kind of full. There wasn't a whole lot to choose from out here. I mean, there was some food and stuff around here, but sorry about all the trucks. I don't know, must be like a truck yard here somewhere close. But anyway, I was telling you guys that my husband's waiting for me because we're gonna go to the store and get some lamps. We have like no lamps. We didn't really have to have lamps in our house. Like a little gnat in here or something. And now we do. So we have to go buy some. I think we're gonna go to like Home Goods. And if I don't see anything in Home Goods, I may go to Belk because I really like Belk. But he's waiting on me, so. And probably be unpacking all night. All night long. Whew. I feel full now. Alright guys, I gotta go because I got a lot to do today. But I did want to share a quick life update with you guys, do a little mini mukbang. If you guys enjoyed these, definitely let me know. I know I've had some requests for places and I'll try to get around to them. I think they have a lot of those places here too, so hopefully I can do that. But yeah, I will definitely continue to have videos out for you guys. If you do have any requests for some place you'd like to do a mukbang, let me know. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Be sure to like and be sure to subscribe and comment and click the notification bell to be notified of my future videos. See you guys later. Bye guys.